you run Y Plus Ventures, and you describe it as human-centered by nature and AI
Mm.
native by design. Venture capital has historically been such a trust, relationship, and intuition-driven industry. Structurally,
Mm.
what changes inside a venture firm when AI becomes part of the operating system rather than just another tool that we use?
Yeah. Well, I think AI is already embedded everywhere.
Yeah,
So
it
in the
is.
past, I remember in the past when a startup deal came in, the first instinct might have been to search on Google, read a few reports, and call a few people, right? But
Right.
now, very often, my first instinct is to ask the ChatGPT, Cloud, or a different cross-check from different AI systems. And I ask the AI to help me understand the market. I ask it to validate assumptions, generate counter arguments, and then I often ask, what am I missing? What would make this company fail or succeed? I think AI is not just helping with execution, it's become part of the thinking process, right? So inside a venture firm, that change almost every step. In sourcing, I think AI can help identify the weak signals earlier. In due diligence, AI can help understand the market, compare the competitors. Basically, everything that a analyst usually do is to write a memo. So the memo right now is written by AI, but people need to provide context. So
Right.
structurally, a venture firm becomes much more leveraged, and the small team can really do work that previously required a larger team. So to me, AI native means the firm is designed around AI from the beginning. It
Hmm.
changes the workflow, it changes the speed and the research process, the diligence process, the way we form and change the conviction, even in the way that we support founders, for example. But I think one thing does not change: context. So AI is powerful, but the quality of its output still depending on the quality of the input, right? The input meaning the context we give it. So
True.
what data? So yeah, so what data we fed it, what questions we ask, what nuances we add. That's where the human-centered part matters. And so AI can process information, but I think human will still decide what matters. So for example, I can ask AI to generate different scenarios of counter arguments, meaning the risk. I think risks is so important in venture VC's mindset, but still human, we are deciding which risks are worth taking.